Today, the Syrian war enters its 10th year. This war has destroyed some of the oldest cities in the world, killed more people than we'll ever know, and scattered 2/3 of its population in search of refuge. And it isn't over.
Epic humanitarian crisis, the biggest wave of refugees in modern history. Desperate men, women, and children by the tens of thousands.
Their long walk may be over, but their long wait has just begun.
They land with little but their dreams. They left everything behind, above all, war. Their suffering clear.
جشفت على بيت رفقاتي قتلوا أخوهم وزلمين قتلوهم وقطعوا رؤوسهم وحرقوهم.
في عالم نامت صايمة مع تفائل.
يعني مأساة من سوريا ومأساة من هون من لبنان ومشكلة كل الدنيا علينا شو بدنا نسوي؟
And Allah will ask on the day of judgment, who did this to you? Who did this to you? Who put you in this situation? And Allah will also ask, and who came to your aid? And you are presented with a people in distress. You need them as much, if not more, than they need you. What does it mean to actually be the answer to someone's prayer? How beautiful is it when that person raises their hands to the skies for you?